Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which is making an STP form defective. They say to err is human, and thus keeping this analogy in view, it is but obvious during the discharge of our duties or due to any other inadvertent purpose, there may be some error which might creep in when you are loading your straight through process forms which is certified by you. Taking this into consideration, this particular video will provide the practical input which will help us overcome this particular unfortunate situation. That is, to take a cue of the very important provisions of the Companies Act. In this video, we are going to substantively deal with the Rule 10 Sub-Rule 6 of the Company Registration Office and Fees Rules 2014, which is reproduced here. Wherein now we will deal as to what this particular rule talks about. I'm only going to read some portion of it for your benefit. In case the registrar finds any form or document filed through straight through process as defective or incomplete in any respect at any time suo motu or on receipt of information or complaint from any source at any time, he shall treat the e-form or document as defective. Now, prima facie, there arises three situations. Point number one, when can the form be made defective? When there is a receipt of information. Point number two, it can be done suo motu by the ROC himself. Point number three, any complaint which is received from any source at any time. Thereby, these three situations, the forms can be made defective. That is the straight through process form. Going further, I would also highlight of one of the cases which is Viata Technologies, where I had represented, where a similar situation had taken place and a request was placed to the ROC to mark the form defective in form GNL 1. Though the form got approved, the MGT 7 was not made defective. Thus, it made us to approach the NCLT, where we used the residuary provisions of Rule 11 of the NCLT rules, and thereby subsequent process was such that the NCLT took cognizance of this situation and directed the ROC to make the form defective, and thus allowing the company to file the fresh forms. Coming to this annual filings, I hope no one commits any mistake, but if there is a bona fide mistake, this provision of law can be considered as a bailout for the same. Before I end this particular video, one important piece of information. That is, once the ROC makes the form defective, you have to file those forms within a period of 30 days, and an increased fee will be applicable for those forms. Thus, this video, I'd like to just wish every one of you that you do not commit any mistakes. Thank you everyone.